Yes, I know, it's not a Stang. This is our friend Rob's new ride. It's the ZL1 1LE version. Badass car. We're gonna take this for a little ride. If we have time before the rain cloud comes, I'm going to get in and take a comparison between this one and the Shelby. God, these seats are fucking amazing. Well, that's the idea. I'm hoping that stays. And I'm not going full send on your car or his, either one. I can't afford to buy either one of them, so.
Oh my God, I like it.
Isn't that nice?
And everything.
I know. Look, he hasn't even taken off the
plastic
yet. All right, and here's our. All right. Oh my God, this thing is so smooth. So smooth. Oh, second gear in this thing is a beast. Holy crap. I just barely touched it. This thing from stock is 650 horsepower and 650 torque. Okay. Oh my God. Jesus. Holy crap. I'm gonna go around one more time. This is fun. I'm just staying in second is what I'm doing.
Staying in second?
Yeah. Crazy.
Go, 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 this, go, go, go. Okay.
Oh my God. This thing is so fucking nice. Oh my God. That was so badass.
So smooth and so nice, huh?
So badass. Oh my God. Start by saying, sorry Pat, in the seat comfort area, you lose. Rob's seats are so much more comfortable. This clutch is weird. He needs to drive Rob's car. Why am I not going anywhere?
Is that the way?
What the hell? What's the problem here? I don't know what the problem is. Okay, hold on.
How do we do reverse?
Oh, there it is. I just wasn't at. So you barely have to touch this clutch. That's what it is. I figured it out.
Every clutch is
Rob's? Okay, Pat. Sorry. You lose on this one too. His clutch is ridiculous. I can't even explain it. You just have to drive it. That's what it is. You get almost all the way to the end. That's when it lets you move. That's all it is. Rob's is definitely better. Sorry, Pat. Alright, let me get a normal. I can't do much. It's starting to rain. I'm gonna have to be careful either way. No, Pat needs to ride in Rob's car. It's so much smoother. So much smoother. This is nice. It's better than mine. But Rob's is just so much smoother. I'm not going crazy because it's starting to sprinkle, so that's why I'm not going stupid, okay? So give me a break, guys. Give me a break.
Stop raining.
I'm gonna go a little bit more in the straightaway here since it's straight. Slow it down earlier, yes. Not gonna give Edna a heart attack.
No, what happened to me earlier.
Yeah. I'm sure Javi will cut to that right about here. Oh, Edna! Shit! Oh, it pulls, baby, it pulls! Oh my God! Did you feel it? Did you feel it in your chest?
Yes.
I know I did. There it is. Oh my God! Oh my God, it just pulls so good. I don't know what the difference is. Now, Rob's car didn't do that. No. It felt good, but it was more instant. This, it pulls at the end, like you can feel it. I guess the next comparison I do is the non-whippled Shelby versus the whippled Shelby.
Yes.
You can go with me for that one too. Dodging the damn potholes. That's what makes it so difficult.
Yeah,
I could go flat out right there if I could work for those damn potholes. Pat's like, can you get my car back, please?
Okay.
I know. That's why I'm not going down those things, because I'm like, nope, that's too much slipping and sliding. Which his car probably would carry it, but I'm not testing it in the ring with it not being my car. I'm not testing it. Woo, brakes work. I do have to say, the name, just saying it, we're in the Shelby, sounds great. Sounds good. We're in the Shelby.
Yeah, it's better than the tent.
Exactly. It's definitely better than the tent. Alright. We gave her a cool down. Thanks, Pat. After driving both the ZL1 LE Camaro and the 2016 Shelby, they're both badass. Please do not think that neither one of those is not a beast, because they are. But that ZL1 1LE was just a monster from out the gate. Like, just a monster. It just felt great. And the thing is, it was so smooth. Everything was so smooth. And it's got all this technology and all that just felt really comfortable. Now, if you're somebody who likes to feel the feeling and the rawness and the jerkiness of the car, then your better bet would be to go with the Shelby. The Shelby was a great car. I felt it in my chest, which is so raw and kind of guttural. It's an experience in and of itself. But I personally, which is why I bought the EcoBoost with all of the bells and whistles that I bought it with, I personally like some of the comforts, which is where the ZL1 1LE comes in for me, because I like those comfortable things. I admit it, I do. I like those comfortable things. If you like all those creature comforts, then yes, you would much rather the ZL1 1LE. If you don't like all those creature comforts and you're more about full race car life, then by all means, get you a Shelby. Either way, you're not going to lose either way. They're both badass. And I thank Rob and Pat both for letting me drive. And I thoroughly enjoyed myself. And Pat has already promised me I'm going to get a second chance when he whipples that car. Today's code is Patrick's GT350.